What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Suzuki Boulevard C50. Guys, this bike's super cool. It has been ridden. It's got 20-some thousand miles on it, so it is not perfect, but it's in great shape. I mean, it's got some scuffs here on the back. It's not a big deal, guys. This is probably not going to be your last bike. If you buy this bike, it's going to be something that gets you from that starter bike you had to that big Ultra that you want in the future. It's got Cobra pipes on it, but you're going to be able to crush the highway on this. You're going to be able to, you know, it's a little bit bigger than your 250. It's in good shape. It does have these like carbon fiber levers, which they're definitely real carbon fiber. Okay, in good shape. It's got a front batwing fairing on it. It's got some scuff right there, some little tiny scuffs. I mean, this is what happens. You ride distance, scuffs along here, stones come up, bugs come up, stuff gets chipped, stuff gets scratched. Nobody likes a guy that doesn't ride his motorcycle. Now, that doesn't mean, like, obviously you keep your stuff clean, you keep your stuff nice, but nobody likes that guy that has that, like, 2004 with 1,000 miles on it. They love his bike, but they don't think he's a real rider, because what real rider rides their bike in 14 years, 1,000 miles? Tank's in pretty good shape, actually. It's got crash bars on it. It's got big old floorboards. Bags are okay. They're not like crazy good quality, to be honest with you. They're okay. I'll put it that way. Like, they're literally just okay. They're starting to fringe back here a little bit, or frill, or whatever the frick you call that. Top of the tank's in good shape. Let me put this beast has 22,333 miles on it. Fires up right away though. Got a little throttle lock there. One thing I do want to note, these tires are getting to the end of the road. So, I mean, they're okay. I wouldn't call them necessarily great. They're okay. I'd probably put new tires on if I were you. It's going to be crazy cheap. Someone who, you know, they go to a state where it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. These are kind of worn in the back. You know, they're not, like, horrible, but they're not good. I'm not going to fix them. I'm just going to put them the way it is. Throw some tires on there. It's going to be a dirt cheap bike, guys. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check out the website, Srkcycles.com. Follow us on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks so much for watching, guys.